what's up you all? This is Steve, your captain chef. Thank you to my channel. I boarded the boat at Hampton, New Hampshire, and I'm heading for deep sea fishing. Today we're talking redfish. Weather looks great. Hopefully we catch a lot of fish. Beautiful. Nice.这慢点这样。这个虽然是啥，但是它已经把我这个线已经整的一塌糊涂了。来，这到这边。Nice.
You're welcome.
太漂亮了。有点好。你这抽稳吧。好吃。真大！一条大俩，这条太大了，哇！又好。
I'll bring you $1 change. All right?
Hey, what's up you all? Welcome to my kitchen. We had a good time during this fishing trip. The ocean was very calm and we caught 125 redfish. Today with fresh catch, I'm going to share with you the recipe of the everyday cooking at my house. It's called homestyle with fish. Mindful cooking, healthy, without further ado, let's get started. First, remove the scale. Then open the belly and remove the gill along with the gut. Make a few cuts on both sides of the fish for easy cooking. Prime the wok with hot oil. Add cold oil and salt on the wok to prevent sticking. Pan sear both sides of the fish until it turns brown. Add a few slices of pork belly if you have. Add garlic ginger scallion and keep stir fry. Add cooking wine and soy sauce along the edge of the wok. Add water to the level of the fish. Add dried hot pepper and keep cooking the fish for about 10 to 15 minutes. Mix a teaspoon white pepper, chicken bone, and sugar. Add half tablespoon sesame oil and seasoned oil if you have. Add some chopped cilantro and pour half tablespoon vinegar along the edge of the wok. This is the home-style braised fish I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me some up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.